Hey guys, I hope you guys are staying fresh. Today is day 11 of 21. I don't really have like a specific topic that I want to talk about, but then we're still on the matters of the heart. Yeah, until the next 21 days, huh? Okay. Well, what do you want to say? Okay, I wanted to say, have you ever, have you, ooh, have you ever been so committed to what's best for you or your heart? Obviously it should be best for you, for what's best for your heart, that you're willing to um sit through the most excruciating, the most painful, the most, I don't know, okay, let me say the most excruciating or uncomfortable pain of growth in the relationship, that you don't accept or you refuse to accept anything apart from complete love and alignment. You desperate you desperately really wanna still wanna be in love, or still wanna be in that relationship with the person. So yeah, have you ever been have you ever stayed in a relationship whereby it's showing you so many reasons to leave, but then you keep on resisting, you keep on refusing, you still believe that this thing will work out at the end of the day, but the person is really not cooperating. It's not really doing the things that you want them to do. Mm. So yeah, it's one of the things that I have realized when you're in love. It's like the signs are always there, guys. Signs are always there. Signs are always there to show you and guide you. But then when you are in love, you always turn a blind eye to those things. And then another thing, I feel like we need to stop begging our partners to change, because okay, you can tell you can tell your partner that, you know what, love, I really feel like you need to do things differently, you need to do this and that like this. But then if you keep on preaching to them every single day of your life, you want them to change and they don't change, that means they're not willing to change for you. They're not willing to do what you want them to do, because that's something that they don't want to do. So you need to start accepting that a person can only change when they want to change. Someone can change for you. You know, you can date someone for 5 to 10 years, asking that person, please don't do this, please don't. And then they meet a person in a week's time or in 3 weeks' time. They do the exact things that you wanted them to do a few years back. And then you ask yourself, how? What was I doing wrong, darling? That person was not willing to change for you. You understand? It's like you know, building a man or a girl for another man, because normally we you tend to find that the person that you're dating, you're trying to mold the person to the to the guy of your dreams or to the girl of your dreams. But then, in fact, at the back of our minds, we should learn and know that not all relationships will lead to marriage. Mm-mm. Not all relationships will lead to marriage. Other people are there to teach you life lessons, and some are there for some purposes that we don't know about. So, but then not all relationships will lead to umshado, will not lead to marriage, and so yeah. And then sometimes, another thing, you also find a guy. Sorry about the noise. You also find a guy, um, that the good guy rather, who will not normally during arguments, partners normally insult each other. They say the most horrible things that you can ever think of in this whole wide world. But then I think if you and your partner understand each other, and you guys respect each other and your relationship as well, should you guys need to respect each other, even though you guys are arguing, you guys are angry at each other. But then you find a good girl, a good guy, you can spot that, this one has maqonda in it, humble army, yabona, those type of thing. That person normally, when people are arguing or fighting, they normally, you tend to find out the truth of what they feel or what they think about you. So when that person sees the most horrible things, it's something that they knew before, but they're not saying it because you guys are all lovey-dovey. But then now, for the mere fact that you guys are having an argument and you're arguing, that's when the person is starting to tell you the things that they feel about you, the things that they don't really like about you. So we need to pay attention, and you cannot just lose your guy or girl over a simple argument. No. So you must respect your partner always. That's it for the day.